Hello dear students, in this video we are going to cover exercise 2.3 chapter 2 linear equation in one variable class 8th. In this exercise, what type of questions do we have? Solving equations having the variables on both the sides. We are having variable on both the sides. Left hand side and right hand side both are including one variable, and we have to find out the value of x by solving this equation. What is the procedure here? How we can start? What we have to do? Firstly, we have to rearrange this equation in such a way. We have to transpose both the terms which are containing variable on one side, right? All the terms which are having variable, we have to transpose all that terms on one side. As you can see, on left hand side we have only one term, right? On right hand side how many terms do we have? Two terms. टर्म्स किस साइन से सेपरेट होती हैं? प्लस और माइनस से. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास कितनी टर्म्स है? दो टर्म्स है. तो हमारे पास इसमें से एक टर्म ऐसी है जो वेरिएबल x को कंटेन कर रही है. कौन सी है? 2x. तो हम इस टर्म को क्या करेंगे? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे ताकि हमारे पास जितनी भी वेरिएबल्स वाली टर्म्स हैं वो एक साइड पे हो जाएं और जो कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं विदाउट वेरिएबल वो सारे दूसरी साइड पे ट्रांसपोज हो जाएं. तो कैन वी राइट इट एज 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. If you will subtract them both, what you will get? X is equal to 18 and this is our answer. Now you can see we have to check our answer. Do checking here. How we can check our answer is correct or not? In your given equation we have to substitute this value of x. Consider this equation 1. Put x is equal to 18 in equation 1. This is 3x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Put 18 here. You will get 3 multiplied by 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 18 plus 18. अब इसको solve कर लो. This is 54. Here you can 36 plus 18. 54 is equal to 54. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. If both the sides are equal, what does it mean? It means our answer is correct. Is it clear? Chaliye, let's move on question number 2. Okay, this is our second question. What we have here, 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Now you can see we have variables on both the sides, right? This is 5t, where t is the variable, and 3t, again t is the variable. These two terms are containing variable t. And these two terms are constant terms. Now what we have to do, we have to transpose the terms which are having the variable on one side and which are without variable on another side. तो इसमें से 3t इस साइड पे ट्रांसपोज करेंगे और 3 को उस साइड पे ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. और बेटा ट्रांसपोज करते टाइम एक चीज़ का अपने हमेशा ध्यान रखना है, टर्म जब भी जाएगी ना अपना, जब टर्म इज इक्वल टू से क्रॉस करेगी, जैसे इज इक्वल टू से इस साइड पे जाएगी, तो उसका साइन क्या हो जाता है? चेंज हो जाता है. साइन किसके रिस्पेक्ट में चेंज होता है? आपने देखना होता है कि वेरिएबल वाली टर्म के साथ इसका क्या रिलेशन है. वेरिएबल वाली टर्म्स में ये क्या हो रही है? सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रही है. तो इस साइड पे जाके ये क्या हो जाएगी? ऐड हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली ये यहाँ पे ये दिस वन इज, यू कैन सी दिस इज माइनस 5 प्लस 3t. तो जब ये इस साइड पे आएगी तो ये क्या हो जाएगी? सब्ट्रैक्ट. दिस इज 5t minus 3t minus 5 minus 3. minus 3 इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? plus 3. what you can say here, this is 2t is equal to minus 2 because among both of them larger number is having negative sign. तो जो भी larger number का sign होगा वही sign आंसर में आएगा. this is minus 2, right? Now what next? We have to find out the value of t. and we can see we are having one coefficient here with t. 2t के साथ क्या हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई. जब आप इसको इधर ट्रांसपोज करोगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड. t इज इक्वल टू -2/2. what is the value of t? 2 1s are 2. this is -1, right? now do checking. For checking, what we have to do, we have to substitute this value of t in our given equation, and we have to check we are getting left hand side is equal to right hand side or not, right? This is put t is equal to -1 in equation 1. Consider this equation as equation 1. इसमें t की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. 5 multiply by -1 -3 is equal to 3 multiply by -1 -5. this is -5 -3 -3 -5. what you will get here? both are having the same sign. it means we have to add them with the same sign. -8. this is again -8. left hand side is equal to right hand side. hence proved, hence verified, hence you can see this answer is correct, right? this answer is correct. this answer is the solution of this. t is equal to -1 is solution of given equation. Fine. Question number 3, 4 and 5 you have to try. now I am going to do question number 6, right? firstly what we have to do, we have to open this bracket by using distributive property. we have to distribute this 3 among all the terms inside the bracket, right? firstly we have to multiply this 3 with x and this 3 with -1 also. this will remain same. here you will get 3x minus 3 plus 7. now you can see both these two are like terms. 8x plus 4. this is 3x minus 3 plus 7. you will get +4. both are having different signs. we have to subtract them with the sign of the larger number, right? you will get +4. now what we have to do next, we have to transpose the terms with the variable on one side and the terms without variable on another side. so we can write it as 8x minus 3x. ये इधर प्लस का है, इस साइड पे आगे क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस. दिस इज 4. transpose it on another side, -4. 8 minus 3 gives us 5x. this is 0. what you will get, x is equal to 0/5. x is 0. now do checking whether it is correct or wrong. for checking, put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. this is our equation 1. substitute करिए x 0. 8 multiply by 0 plus 4 is equal to 3. 0 minus 1 plus 7, right? 8 zeros are 0 multiplied by something is 0 plus 4. this is 3. 0 minus 1 is -1 plus 7. this is 4. 3 multiplied by -1 is -3 plus 7. 4 plus is equal to 4. left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? it means our answer x is equal to 0 is correct solution of this equation. let's move on next question. okay, how we can do this question? in this question you can see we have x is equal to 4/5 x plus 10. this 4/5 is the common factor among both these two terms, right? so that's why we can transpose this 5 on another side. अगर तो ये सारी टर्म्स जितनी भी इस साइड पे हैं उसमें से कॉमन फैक्टर है, तब आप इस डिनोमिनेटर को ट्रांसपोज कर सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एक टर्म के साथ फैक्टर लगा हुआ है तो आप इसको ट्रांसपोज नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन ट्रांसपोज ओनली व्हेन इट इज कॉमन फैक्टर, राइट? एज यू कैन सी जितनी भी टर्म्स राइट साइड पे हैं उसमें से 4/5 क्या है, कॉमन फैक्टर है. तो नाउ यू कैन ट्रांसपोज दिस 5 ऑन अनदर साइड. हेयर यू विल गेट 5x. वी आर लेफ्ट हेयर विद, now use distributive property and distribute this 4 among all the terms inside the bracket. this is 5x. you will get 4x plus 40. Transpose the terms which are having variable on one side. 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. This is x is equal to 40. Now keep it in a box. Check your solution. Put x is equal to 40 in equation 1. This is our equation 1. इसमें put करते हैं. इस साइड पे तो हमारे पास सीधा ही 40 आ गया. इस साइड पे कितना है 4/5. This is 40 plus 10. 4/5. 40 plus 10 is 50. This multiplies 5. How many is a 50? 5 tens are 4 tens are 40 is equal to 40. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means our answer is correct. Now let's move on next question. Okay, have a look on this question. We are having two terms on left hand side and two terms on right hand side. This one term is containing x and this one term is also containing variable x. These two terms are constant terms. What we will do? We will transpose the terms with the variable on one side. Keep this 2x/3 on this side. इसको जब इधर लेके आएंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा minus 7x/15. On this side we have 3 minus 1. How we can solve fractions? As we know that to add or subtract fractions should be the like one. Like one means their denominators must be same. But here you can see here denominator is 3 and here we have 15. To make their denominators same, we need to take their LCM, which is 15. 3 how many is a 15? 5s are. तो ऊपर किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 से. 5 2s are 10x. 15 1s are 15. तो ऊपर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, it will be remain 7x. 3 minus 1 is 2. What you will get here? 10 minus 7 gives us 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. इधर कर रही हूँ मैं बाकी सॉल्व. अब हमारे पास कितना है 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. How we can find out the value of x from here? 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. तो can we write x upon 5 is equal to 2? अब ये 5x से क्या हो रहा है डिवाइड, तो इस साइड पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई. x will be 5 2s are 10. Now let's do checking. We can do here. This is our equation 1. Put x is equal to 10 in 1. X is equal to 10 in equation 1. इसमें put कर लेते हैं. 2 multiply by 10 divided by 3 plus 1. On this side we have 7 multiply by 10 divided by 15 plus 3, right? 2 how many is 2 tens are 20 divided by 3 plus 1. On this side we have 70 divided by 15 plus 3, right? Now let's take LCM. LCM ले सकते हैं. उससे पहले बेटा तुम ना यहाँ पे कैंसिल भी कर सकते हो टर्म्स. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने यहाँ पे टर्म्स कैंसिल करनी है तो यू कैन कैंसिल. क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाएगा, है ना. चाहे आप यहीं पे कैंसिल कर लो. इसको लिखने से पहले आप यहीं पे कैंसिल कर लो. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 7 2s are 14 upon 3 plus 3. Now let's take LCM. What is the LCM here? 3. 3 1s are 3. What is the LCM here? 3 1s are 3. तो ऊपर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा 20. यहाँ पे 1 है डिनोमिनेटर में तो ऊपर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. Here you will get LCM 3 14. 3 3s are 9. इसको करो ऐड, कितना आ रहा है 23/3 और 14/9 इज कितना होता है 14/9 23/3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here you will get 23/3 and here also you will get 23/3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side and hence proved. Hence you can see you can say this x is equal to 10 is the solution of this given equation, right? This is 9th question. Again, here we are having two terms on left hand side and two terms on right hand side. One term is containing variable and one term is constant. Here one term is with variable and another one is constant. We have to transpose the terms with the variable on one side. This is 2y plus y. This is 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. ये इधर नेगेटिव माइनस था ना, इस साइड पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा प्लस. ये इधर ऐड हो रहा था और दूसरी साइड पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा सब्ट्रैक्ट. 2y plus y is 3y. Here you can see like fractions, denominator is already same 3. So this is 26 minus 5. 3y is equal to 26 minus 5 is 21 upon 3. 7. What is the value of y? Y is 7 upon 3. What is the value of y? 7 upon 3. Now let's do checking. Put y is equal to 7 upon 3 in 1 or in given equation. तो चलिए इसमें put करते हैं. 2 multiplied by 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. This is 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. इसको करो सॉल्व. ये मल्टीप्लाई करके कितना आएगा 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. This is 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. Take LCM 3. This is 14 plus 5 and this is 3. 26 minus 7 कितना हो गया ये 19 upon 3 and this is again 19 upon 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? Is it clear? Now 10th question you can do, right?